In this video, I will show you how to make a new template service call with Pulse. You will want to do this when you operate an incoming call center and have a collection of calls that you log frequently with the same categorization and other details. To begin with, from the Pulse homepage, click on the service call grid icon. Here you will see the call that you want to create a template for. Now I am going to make a template for resetting a password. You click on the call reference number, which opens a new pop-up interface. Then, on your pop-up interface, you will see the icon which allows you to create a service call template from this service call. This is where you can see a Create Service Call icon. Now, if you click on Add a new service template, you will get a pop-up which allows you to add a template. On the template, it has the call template name. You can change your template name as well as specifying if this template should be available to a specific client and all its descendants, or available to all clients. I am going to choose available to all clients. You can see the call description that's there and the status that it will use when making a new service call, which is a new one. Then you can confirm your categories that these other categories are being used every time your call is being created, as well as your custom field. On the Schedule tab, you can now change your badge color as well as the icon. I am going to change the badge color. Now select your badge color and click OK. I will also change my text color, and as before, click OK. You can now select the icon you would like to use and input your list order. Once you are happy with all the details of your template, you can now make it active by checking the active box below. You can then save it by clicking the Save in the top right. Although it is saved, I would like to use this in my Quick Add interface, and so I am just going to check the Quick Add box and save it again. To check that the template has been created, close the tab and click the flag icon, which will open a new pop-up. In the client search, I have searched for test. You can also add a template directly from the client. Select your client and under the Service tab, go to Service Call Templates. Now you will have the option to add a new service call template. Follow the same process as you did when you directly added a new service call. Give it a template name, service call template type, and select Service Call. Give it your details and which status to use. Now select your category, custom field, and your schedule, which will be on demand. This now allows you to change your badge color, badge text color, and badge icon. Once everything has been set, you will be able to log a service call. You can then add a call for plans using a quick add on the service. Now I will search for a client who I want to log a call for. I will click on Reset Password. It will now populate everything such as my details, categories and my custom field. Now you can save and close with the blue box in the top right. You can also log your service call directly from the client during the new service call template. On your client, under the service call tab, you have the option to say whether you want to reset password. Now click the Add New box and it will populate everything for you. Once completed, you can click the blue Save and Close box in the top right.